In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an anchor to your web page, which is a very handy feature, especially if you're looking to improve your site's navigation. Anchors allow users to jump directly to specific sections of a page with ease, making it a seamless experience for them to find exactly what they're looking for. Let's dive into the process. First, you'll want to open your website editor where you'll be making these changes. Once there, locate the Add button, usually found in your toolbar. Clicking on this will open up a variety of options for different elements to include on your page. What you're specifically looking for is the Menu and Anchors section. Go ahead and select that. Within this menu, you'll find an option to add an anchor. Click to add a new anchor to your page. Now that you've initiated the addition of the anchor, it's time to position it. You'll need to drag the anchor to the exact spot where you want users to land when they click the link. This is typically at the top of a specific section you want to highlight, like a contact form, FAQs, or any area you feel deserves quick access. This positioning is crucial, so ensure it's in the exact spot you want users to view upon landing. After positioning, a pop-up window will appear prompting you to name your anchor. It's important to choose a descriptive name here. For instance, if the anchor leads to your contact section, you might name it something straightforward like Contact Us. This helps keep things organized on the back end and makes it clear what each anchor is intended for. With your anchor set up and named, the next step is to link an element to this anchor. Select the element on your page, which could be a text link, a button, or any clickable item that you want to function as a shortcut to the anchored section. Once selected, find and click on the link icon, which is represented by a chain icon. This will bring up your link options. In the link options, you're going to choose Anchor from the link types available. You'll see a Link To window pop up, and from here, you'll select the correct page you're working on, followed by the specific anchor you just named from a drop-down menu. Once you've made these selections, simply click Done to finalize the link, and there you have it. Anchors are now successfully added to your web page. Test your changes to ensure that everything is working as expected. By refining your page navigation with anchors, you're not only enhancing the user experience, but also keeping your site well-structured and accessible. Thanks for tuning in today, and happy editing.